How to add luggage in AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add luggage in AirAsia. First, go to your web browser and open airasia.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now, go to My Bookings. Here you can search for a booking by following the given steps. After that, go back to the home page and click on Chat from your bottom right corner. Once the chat is opened, click on Travel from the given options. Then select AirAsia Flights. After that, click on this right arrow and go to Add-ons. Here, click on Baggage. Now you need to select the type of luggage from these given options. Then give your booking number or PNR to have complete details about your luggage. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.